Okay, this is so cute. I had to do a little video to share it with you. I am using the Memories and More Santa's Workshop from the Holiday Catalog in these absolutely marvelous cards and envelopes, also from the Holiday Catalog. They come in 2 sizes, small cards and regular size cards. But the fabulous thing is, in this pack, all I did was pick up this doll, adhere it with snail adhesive to the card, then I'll decide what I want to stamp on the inside, and bingo, my Christmas cards are done. I can also do that with the small cards. It's hard to video with one hand and work. But how absolutely adorable is that? Yeah, I'll get it. For a gift card. Or to mail as a Christmas card. Absolutely fabulous. Why didn't I start this sooner? Please go to gwenspaperexpressions.com and check out what's new. See you guys.